Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete my Google Ads account permanently. Now, if you are searching for this, it means that you're ready to part ways with your Google Ads account. So I'm going to show you how to permanently delete it along with some important things to consider beforehand. Now before you delete, consider the fact that deleting your Google Ads account is irreversible, which means you lose all your campaign data, settings and configurations. So make sure to export any essential information you might need in the future. Then, ensure all outstanding balances are settled. You will need to pay off any remaining balances to close the account without financial liabilities. Properly conclude or migrate active campaigns to prevent any unexpected charges or disruptions. Once you've considered this and you still want to delete, steps you take are 1. Sign into your Google Ads account. 2. Go to your account settings. How? In the new Google Ads experience, click the Tools icon in the top right corner, then choose Account Settings. If you're using the older Google Ads experience, click Tools and Settings, then choose Preferences. The next step is to find the Account Status section. Click Cancel My Account. Then follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion. This may involve verifying your identity or ownership of the account. Simple as that. It is important to note that you will need administrative access to your account to be able to delete it. If you have a manager account, you will need to delete the individual accounts under it first. Once your account is deleted, you won't be able to reactivate it. If you think you might need it in the future, consider pausing your campaigns instead of deleting the account. So, if you're not completely sure about deleting your account, like I said, you can pause your campaigns instead. So this will stop your ads from running and prevent any new charges, but you'll still be able to access your account and data. You can always reactivate your campaigns later if you change your mind. Now, in case you have trouble deleting your account, you can contact Google Ads support. They can help you troubleshoot any issues you might encounter in the deletion process. By following these steps, you can permanently delete your Google Ads account. Remember to consider the implications before you proceed, as this action is irreversible. That's it for today. See you in the next video.